I've got a really exciting adventure this morning. I'm going to be paddling in a canoe over to Mendenhall Glacier. It looks phenomenal. I can't wait to get over there. It's a little bit chilly here, thanks to the katabatic winds. What's actually pretty scary is that the glacier has receded and is receding very fast.
Is everybody ready? You got your hiking legs now? No more sea legs? All right, let's go.
It's absolutely incredible, just the colours and the sheer size of this enormous frozen mussel just powering its way through the mountains. You can see why it's the #1 attraction in Juneau. Coming here and not seeing Mendenhall would be like going to Rome and not seeing the Colosseum. Wow, just to see this, the monumental face of nature. I was here 8 years ago. The glacier was a lot bigger than it is now, and even in the last 2 years, the recession is very, very noticeable. So that's pretty sad. Still incredibly beautiful.